We've done rotisserie everything. Chicken, steak, wings, turkey, you name it, we've done it, but we've never done rotisserie ribs. We're gonna try it tonight.
And it's Thursday, we got football, super hype.
I'm hoping these are the best ribs we've ever made. We'll find out, cheers.
All right, cheers. I always hold the chug a little longer than you.
Basement.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the Searwood fired up. We're going Smokin' Pecan again this week. Congratulations to Alejandro Figueroa, I think you say it.
You did it well, you did it well.
Best comment last week, won a free box of Smokin' Pecan. Bob, do the honors, fill that thing up.
And that's what, $32 value?
$32 value.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
All right, 300 degrees.
300.
We're going 300 degrees. We're gonna try to do this a little bit hot on that rotisserie and see what happens. We're hoping for 3-hour ribs. We'll see.
And we'll see if
hopefully
they fall
they're
off
still tender.
The spike.
They shouldn't, honestly.
Yeah, hot and
because we're gonna go like this with it.
Right.
So. All right, let's go get those ribs ready. This should be heated up by the time we're done with that, and we're good to go.
Let's do it.
See you in a bit. All right, we got our 2 racks of baby backs here from Harris Teeter, regular old Smithfield. Gonna go ahead and just trim off this extra junk here.
Just normal scissor trim.
Normal scissors. It's a lot of junk on this one. And then we'll go ahead and do the knife trick.
Do you need paper towel, sir?
I think I can do it with the gloves.
All right.
This is always hit or miss.
And you're doing great, you're doing great.
So far,
Go flat, go flat. Oh, it doesn't matter, good. Dang.
That is very satisfying when it works well.
I need you to open a charcoal bag next, then you gotta play the lottery.
I don't know how to fix that. I don't know how to do that one.
I had it for like 2 months and now every time's a fail, even when I think I'm good.
All right, that one's good. You wanna do the next one?
No.
Why not?
Because dude, keep your success going. I don't wanna fail on video.
Now I got pressure.
Look at you.
We're just going heavy with the sweet Robo Mine, quickly becoming one of my favorites. It's got great flavor, a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. And we're not using a binder or anything. Lately, I've been doing ribs without binders and they come out really well.
As long as you don't clump up on me. Don't shy up, girl.
Now, one thing we're gonna do is, and I've been doing this a lot lately, when the juice starts to run and create little rivers and wash the seasoning away,
Yeah.
I go and hit it with more seasoning. And I'll do that as many times as possible to keep the whole thing covered. Turns out really well.
Season the river.
The juice river.
So is this brown sugar heavy? Because some people don't put brown sugar on the bottom.
This one is brown sugar heavy, but there's no bottom here. We're on
That's
rotisserie.
true. God, you're brilliant. Look at you. You had that ready, didn't you?
We leave no square inch unseasoned.
Every bite has a little flavor.
You can get this Sweet Robo Mine on Amazon. We'll link to it down below if you're interested. I think you can also get it at your local Ace store. That's where I got it. But I haven't found it in any grocery stores yet, unfortunately.
Chad always likes a little more. Every crevice.
Correct.
I think we're good.
All right, now the interesting part. You want to hold the spike or you want to do the skewer?
I'll hold her.
All right.
Just keep your success going.
It's gonna be interesting because we gotta get both on here, go through that first bone.
Should I be wearing goggles?
Maybe.
At least our drinks aren't underneath it.
Come on now. There we go.
Are you shaking or am I? Might keep it more juicy like this, folded in some areas.
Yeah, I think so.
Might have a new method, dude. How's it feel?
Strange.
In a good way or a bad way?
I don't know, I haven't decided yet.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Now this is gonna hang.
You're gonna have to push down, so.
There, right there. Looking good, nice and balanced.
Seems pretty good. Can't complain.
All right, Searwood's heated up. Time to get this thing on. Hopefully everything is well balanced.
She's looking good.
Looking good.
Looking real good.
Go ahead and do the honors just to make sure it spins all right.
There we are.
All right, stop it. Let's go ahead and spike it. Use my favorite TempSpike Pro. Get right here. And on this one. All right, good to go. Turn it on.
Here we are. 3, 2, 1, and.
Man, that does look good already.
Looks very good.
So as you know, when we've done like steak or whatever on this rotisserie and the juices just keep kind of flowing and they don't fall off, man, should we hit it a little bit with some
Lambert Sweet Robo Mine. You gotta wait for the rivers. God, it smells good already. I don't know if that's the grill or it's the seasoning hitting the heat.
Yeah, probably so. All right. All right, let's close it up, man. We check back on this in about an hour.
Excited.
I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, I'm
man,
salivating.
that does smell good. Holy cow.
Is it your grill or is it this hitting the?
I'm thinking it's
Yeah,
that
because
hitting
this
the
smells
flame,
amazing
right?
and it's like heating up.
Whew. All right. Let's go play some shuffleboard and watch some football.
Let's do it.
All right, it's been an hour that these have been turning, and this is what we got. They're looking good. You can see the juice is flowing, but they're
Is this
staying
a river?
on. That's a river, man.
Is it?
Man, they look good. So according to ThermoPro, they are at 165.8 degrees. So we're working our way up into the 200s. Around 200, 203, we're gonna pull. Man, they're looking good.
They're looking real good. I've never spiked a reel.
Me neither. This is a new experience.
So you're gonna hit all the rivers with this.
Let's just hit the rivers, man, yeah.
Okay.
Gonna hit the rivers
Like-
with more of that sweet Rebel Mine seasoning.
Like Texas Hold'em. Hit them rivers, hit them rivers. It's always nice to see meat spinning, isn't it?
It is.
God, it's beautiful.
Something special about it, right?
Yeah, what's up with that? You know, the caveman wanted the meat to spin. They had to do it by hand. Or do you think the cave woman did it for him? It smells freaking amazing.
Man, I can't wait to try this.
God, man.
300 degrees, hopefully this doesn't take all night to get to, because we're gonna get into the stall and we're not gonna wrap. So we may need to crank the temp to 325 at some point, but for now we're good.
It's, you know, weeknight grilling. You gotta
Yeah.
do what you gotta do.
All right, let's go in. Game's about to start.
All right, let's do it.
All right, 2 hours in, let's take a look at what's going on.
They
Looks
look
good, though.
They look real good. So when we take them off, they're gonna be curved like in a,
I don't know.
I think so.
They probably would be, right? So they're at about 180 degrees. So we got a good 20 something degrees to go. We're at 2 hours exactly. We want them to be done in 3 hours. These are 3-hour ribs. So we're gonna go ahead and boost to 325.
So is that sacrilege in normal cook time?
Yeah, it probably is, but who cares?
Okay, just asking.
I'm gonna go ahead and just do this just
Sprinkle the
because
gout on all the rails.
it's the meat that does the gout, not the seasoning.
Yeah, I'm just joking.
Boy,
it's actually red
as
meat.
you would say.
Red meat, I believe. Anti-gout seasoning going on.
Can never have too much seasoning in my opinion.
It looks amazing, gosh. I really like this.
Me too. Sweet Rebel Mine. Don't sleep
And you got
on
it at
this.
Ace or Harris Teeth?
I got it at Ace. 325, another hour.
Let's see what happens.
All right, let's go
Oh
do it.
baby, oh baby.
See you in a bit. All right, 2 hours and 45 minutes in, and these are ready to go. Let's wait till it turns over, stop it,
Wow.
take temp.
They look so nice.
They look amazing. Look at the bones falling right out.
As they should.
Massive pullback, stop it. Oh,
Okay, maybe we need to go. That's all we have. That's all we have. The instant read.
yeah, see,
Lightning.
208 there. These are definitely ready. So I put this down to smoke boost. Let's sauce one of these. I'm thinking this one.
This is what dreams are made of.
Yes,
This
exactly.
is what dreams are made of. Lord. Get up in the nook and crannies.
Yeah, these are gonna be bomb.
I can't help but salivate.
Look at that bone just coming
Yeah,
right out.
that's-
Look at that right there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Just a kiss. This beautiful barbecue. Is this Sweet Baby Ray or?
Sweet Baby Ray. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, no, cannot. So happy to be here, to be honest. Why are you scoffing, Donnie? I like the bone sauce as well, even though I don't eat it.
No, definitely. Gets on your fingers. It's like extra bonus. We let it run in smoke boost for like maybe 5-10 minutes.
I'd say so, yes.
Then we pull and try.
Gosh darn,
Man, that's the thing of beauty.
that is beautiful. Thursday night. Can't beat it.
Wavy ribs, dude.
Wavy reel. So when we put on the cutting board, it's gonna be like this.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go like,
And hot, under 3 hours.
yeah, so I'm a little worried about that, but who knows?
It's gonna be interesting, isn't it?
Who knows?
This might be a thing.
We're gonna find out.
This might be the new thing.
All I know, it smells amazing. Yeah, take a shot of that.
All right, these are good to go. They've been going for an extra about 15 minutes on smoke boost. I mean, look how fantastic
They look
that looks.
amazing.
Especially the one that's sauced, if I'm being
Yeah,
honest.
good Lord, but.
Whew, this is gonna be interesting.
So you're going hot hands with gloves, love it, love
hot
it.
hands, hot hands. I mean, we did put it down to 180, so I might,
Yeah, I
be,
know,
able to,
but-
I might be able to do this.
I believe in you, sir.
Oh, look at that. It comes off
Yeah,
like,
because the holes are
like
loose.
a wave.
So are they going to be bitey the way you just pulled that thing off?
I think they are going to be bitey.
Okay, it's competition.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Wavy baby,
Is that a thing of beauty or what?
I guess.
Look at the bones sticking out there.
No, don't drop it, baby. Don't drop it now. This may be a thing.
This might be a thing, right?
I hope it is because it's so nice to watch it. Meat on the rotisserie is always so beautiful.
All right, let's take it in, try this. We got to give it a shot right now. You want from the middle or the end?
Middle.
You want sauced or
I think maybe
unsauced
right
first?
here in the hump.
Always manage to find the bone. All right, pick your one. Cheers, man.
Cheers, sir.
They're not bitey at all.
Man,
Holy cow.
I'm
This
shocked.
is a thing.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Oh man, this is good.
Yeah, we got to repeat this. Juicy, smoky.
Tender.
I don't want to stop eating of that.
Look at that clean bone right there.
Yeah, this is a new thing.
Rotisserie ribs.
We cracked the code.
We may have cracked the code.
If you have a rotisserie, that's the key.
Right.
So on my rig, I don't think I have a spike, but I can do maybe one rack. Another win for the Searwood. Donnie, we don't have one for you to taste, I'm sorry.
We gotta try the short side. Cheers.
It's even better.
The short side's even better. Holy cow.
We break the code. Donnie, you never know because we don't have any for you. I'm a little shocked.
Super good.
No binder.
No spritz, no
So,
wrap,
Ton of seasoning is the key.
ton of seasoning, no spritz, no wrap, nothing. What's Donnie thinking? Donnie's loving it? Donnie's loving it.
Cheers, sir. So is it the rub?
I think the rub's part of it, man. That rub is amazing.
This screws up my whole rib game.
Right?
Who would have thought? Why haven't we seen this?
I don't know.
And I guess, dust the rivers.
Yeah.
Season the river.
Dust the rivers for sure.
Which I never thought about. Great point from you, man.
All right, well, don't forget that best comments of this video wins a free box of Smokin Pecan Pellets. Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time.
But now you got people over and they see
The
ribs
rotisserie
turning
is
on your
always beautiful.
rotisserie.
Yeah, it's impressive.
And then you serve it and it tastes like this. They're gonna be
So I can't roll two
bowing down
racks,
to you,
though,
like-
that's the thing.